And so there are many branches of Jyotish, astrology. See, the very common form, or what we have heard from everywhere, like Vedic astrology, then called Gemini, then there are many divisions, BNN, then Nadi, then there are so many divisions. Then you have thumb impression also. Now, what is there is, in Vedic Jyotish, it is good in terms of, it is very good in terms of knowing about the planets, knowing about the Rashis, knowing about the houses. It's very detailed, you know. But to really get the prediction from Vedic astrology, it takes many years of hard work, maybe even 30, 40, even the one birth is list. But what I heard from many astrologers who are practicing for 30 years, 40 years, maybe generations, maybe 10 generations, 15 generations, because we have a circle like that only. So what we have seen is in Vedic Jyotish, if you only use Vedic Jyotish, you can't go more than 60, 65, or in rare exceptions 70. Then there are leaves or thumb impression you have heard of, where people say thumb and then they take out your nadi, or they take out your leaf and then you read it. So there we have seen, and if you Google and research, their past is very accurate, 100%. Ditto, your spouse name, your children's name, your grandfather, everything will be told exactly. That is called Agastya Nadi, thumb impression. Then another form of Jyotish is called, there are many forms of Nadi also. This is also Nadi. What I practice is Nadi Nakshatra. Nadi Nakshatra means this is based on the nakshatra. Like if you go to an Ayurvedic doctor, they will check your Nadi and tell you everything. What you get to know after maybe spending thousands of rupees of lab tests, they will just touch your Nadi for 2 minutes and tell you everything, that in future this will come. In the same way, the Nadi of zodiac is nakshatra. Unless you see the nakshatra, you will not be able to know what will happen exactly in my life. That is very vague. You will get a very vague picture without considering the nakshatra. So there are many forms of Nadi like Bhrigu Nadi, Dhruv Nadi, Shiv Nadi, but the most accurate form of Nadi, which is used for prediction and which can give you accuracy up to 95 to 99%. It's like that. Matlab, you can really identify the week and month when the event will happen.
So this is for